This is a demonstration of how to tie and use a Poldo tackle. I'm going to tie a rope between two trees and tension them. So on one end, I just have the rope anchored, and I just use a round turn and 2/2 hitches, but any anchor will do. I move to the other end, and I just used a pre-tied piece of webbing that gives me a carabiner that I can use for part of my Poldo tackle. So I'm going to run the rope through this. I'm going to back off and give myself enough distance so that I can tension the Poldo tackle. I'm about 10 feet right here. And then here, you can tie a butterfly, or you can just do a clove hitch with your carabiner. Either is going to work well. All right, you can also put 2 carabiners into this clove hitch so that it's easier to untie. Once you've done that, you're going to tuck a bite through that carabiner, and this is going to create your 3-to-1. So here you're going to hook it on, and then you're going to take the other end of the rope, and you're going to pull as much slack out of it as you can before you tie your knot. Okay? From here, I figure out where I'm going to tie my knot, give myself a few more inches for my knot, and then I'm going to tie a figure 8. Okay, dress that up, come back, and if you did it right, it's going to be kind of difficult to get the thing hooked up. So I will unhook my carabiner and then tension it to get that thing hooked up. There you go. And now you've got your Poldo tackle established. All you have to do is tension it. And this is where the 3-to-1 is, right there. Okay? So now, using opposing forces, one person can tension this. And you can get it even tighter if you use more people. Now, if you want to put a safety on this, I'll come back down here. Now I'll actually use a second carabiner on the same anchor system. Okay. And I like to use a clove hitch because it's easy to adjust. And that way, if I have to retension, I can come back here, pull the tension out, and lock that down, and I've got a safety. So if something were to slip, that would catch. So that's the Poldo tackle with a safety, and there's your knot attached here, and there's the 3-to-1, 1, 2, 3. Okay.